The Mental Health Unit is very happy to twin with the Ministry of Youth in promoting International Youth Day. The theme is Mental Health Matters. Mental health matters for all of us, whether you're young or you're old. People with mental health problems, youth, are able to study, gain a career, work. 1 in 10 young persons does have a mental health problem or will have a mental health problem during that time. But there is treatment for them, adequate treatment for them to recover and to develop to their fullest potential. If you are feeling that you have a mental health problem or you're anxious or depressed, talk to a trusted friend or a trusted adult or a counselor, because there is help. We have the child guidance clinics for those who are under 18, and we have the adult mental health clinics, and there are other mental health resources available where you can get help. Help is available.
The Ministry of Youth and Culture is partnering with the Ministry of Health, Mental Health Department, and Kiwanis Club of New Kingston, as well as Art for Living. And we are doing numerous activities. They would have included messaging, mass messaging across both networks for youngsters, messaging on mental health issues, breaking stigmas, etc. And also, we have launched a poster competition, and this was launched today, and it will span a time span for all of the youth across Jamaica to be able to participate in it. You can go to www.youthjamaica.com to catch up on that and see the requirements, etc. And also, we have partnered with Art for Living to deal with some nice workshops for the youngsters, youth empowerment workshops, embodying issues of yoga, meditation, exercise, proper breathing, all of these issues that would help self-development in terms of managing mental health issues. Those are some of the activities that we have engaged in, and all our youth information centers are engaging in this dissemination of information.